The political battle in Delhi takes an ugly turn, with Aam Aadmi Party now lashing out at BJP with videos alleging that their workers are harassing Aam Aadmi Party workers and stopping them from campaigning. Meanwhile, Delhi police threw the ball back in AAP chief's court, asking why no complaint or PCR call was made. Delhi police also requested that if a formal complaint can be made now, then they will assure that a strict legal action is taken. Listen in to what Arvind Kejriwal had to say.
खुलेआम लोगों पे हमले करवाए जा रहे हैं, खुलेआम लोगों को पीटा जा रहा है, इन लोगों के गुंडों के द्वारा पीटा जा रहा है। पुलिस को निर्देश है कि पुलिस कोई कार्रवाई नहीं करेगी। इस तरह की ढेरों घटनाएं रिपोर्ट की गई हैं, इसके ढेरों वीडियो आए हैं। कल संजय सिंह जी खुद एक जगह मौजूद थे जहां पे इनके गुंडों ने पीटा।
And for more on this, I am being joined by Advocate Anmol Panwar, the spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Mr. Anmol, tell us why no complaint was made if Aam Aadmi Party is providing video proofs that allegedly BJP workers are harassing the Aam Aadmi Party workers.
The video clearly shows that the goons of Bharatiya Janata Party, who were also part of an attack which was committed on Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, they were the ones involved in this attack also, because the BJP is staring at a massive defeat.
Sir, the Delhi police has reacted to what our chief has said.
No.
And they are asking for a formal complaint. Will your party make a formal complaint now?
Will certainly act in accordance with law, but the fact remains that the Delhi police was standing as a mute spectator, because Amit Shah has given them orders not to act on the hooliganism which is being perpetrated by these Bharatiya Janata Party goons. The BJP is staring at a massive defeat, and Mr. Amit Shah is in a state of desperation. That is why they are orchestrating violent attacks on the people of Delhi and the volunteers of Aam Aadmi Party. And this state of lawlessness has never been witnessed in the national capital. The BJP candidates who are openly distributing money, who are openly beating our volunteers, who are openly vandalizing the vans, the police, instead of taking action, they are shielding those goons.
Okay.
इतनी गुंडाई, इतनी हमने घटिया राजनीति आज तक नहीं देखी दिल्ली में.
Okay, Mr. Anmol Panwar, just hold your thoughts. We also have Shivam Chhabra, the spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, now joining us. Mr. Chhabra, serious allegations are being made by the Aam Aadmi Party. They are saying that allegedly BJP workers are harassing Aam Aadmi Party workers and not letting them campaign in the Delhi elections.
I think this shows the desperation of Aam Aadmi Party, that is the Aam Aadmi Party leadership is going through. Arvind Kejriwal is rattled by the support the Bharatiya Janata Party is getting from all across the city. They are rattled with the fact they are not feeling good, that the people of Delhi have started to disregard them. So it is a natural reaction. I don't have to say much about it. But the fact of the matter is, unfortunately, Aam Aadmi Party does not trust the authorities. They don't trust the Election Commission. They have zero trust on Delhi police. They can even resort to saying that the Haryana is actually polluting the water of Yamuna Ji. They can go to any such level, and I think such obnoxious and absurd allegations are just worth not responding to. I mean, you need to trust the Election Commission. It is a very, very absurd kind of a thing. When you win win Delhi, the same Election Commission does the conducts the election, then it is all fine. But yes, when you see that defeat is the writing on the wall, you start resorting to such baseless allegations that may does not support you anyways. So I don't need to respond to all such allegations be put up against the Bharatiya Janata Party. This shows the serious desperation Aam Aadmi Party is going through, because they are being disrespected, disregarded, and discarded by the people of Delhi.
Okay, so point taken. Both the parties are alleging that it is the desperation of the other party. So the war of words is getting ugly now in the national capital. But who will Janata decide? Who will win this war of words? Will only Janata decide on Feb 5 when the voting will be held. Thank you so much, Shivam Chhabra and Advocate Anmol Panwar, for joining us on this.